Alrighty there, pluckers, Ivysaur fingers again. I thought I'd just do a very quick lesson for you, or relatively quick lesson, just to fill in a few moments. Okay, this is the intro, obviously, to Pinball Wizard by The Who, or my version of it anyway. Standard tuning, no capos, as you can see. I'm doing the same key as The Who. Okay, so starting off with this little intro, which is what the lesson's all about, the intro. Okay, so we're playing the top 4 strings only for the intro, okay, 4 down to 1. I'll show you the chords first, okay, so B minor, just a straightforward simple B minor, first chord. Second chord is a B minor but without the first finger, top E string open, okay. Then take off your second finger and put your first finger on the second fret of the second string. These two are staying where they were, okay? That's an F sharp 7 suspended 4. So now you've got, should sound like that, yeah? Then put your second finger on the third fret of the third string and take off with pinky. That's F sharp 7, top string open, okay. Then a difficult one, or slightly difficult, is the second finger goes up to the second fret on the third string. So it was on the second string, it goes up to the third string, second fret, and your second finger goes to the second fret of the second string. The third finger stays where it was on the fourth fret of the fourth string, and the top E string is open. It should sound like that. It's a form of F sharp minor 7. So now we've got this B minor, B minor with the top string open, F7 sus 4, F sharp 7, then the F sharp minor 7. As far as we've got, yeah. Then a nice easy one, just a single finger on the fourth fret of the fourth string, 4 down to 1, all the other strings are open. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Then we go to a partial G chord. So this fourth finger eventually now goes up to the 5th fret on the fourth string. Okay, goes up 1 fret, and the third finger goes to the 4th fret of the third string, second string open, top E string open, partial G chord, or G6 as you could call that, and the last chord is the F sharp 7 again. So these two fingers go down a fret, so third finger is now on the 4th fret of the 4th string, third finger is on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string, and you add your first finger to the 2nd fret on the 2nd string, top E string open. Okay, so it goes B minor, okay, and that's it. And then we go into the classic, you know, the old crazy strumming, okay. And I'll show you some of that in a second, okay. Right, now then, to play this solo like the record, or this intro like the record, sorry, when you do the chord, you nice strong strum on each chord change, okay, so nice deliberate arpeggiated strum, and immediately strum, you go back to the 4th string and do that, okay, so it's change chord, the idea? So every time you do a chord change, you go back and hit the 4th string continuously, okay? At this point you can start strumming. and it stops, and then we're into this classic, if I can get it right, of course. That bit. Okay, you probably know how to play that already, so I'm not going to show you. So how I play it is basically, if you can imagine an F shape on the 7th fret, that's a basic B chord. If you add your pinky to the 9th fret of the 3rd string, you get a suspended B chord, yeah? So what you've got to do is basically keep those fingers like they are, but take your bar off, take your first finger off, and add it to the 7th fret of the bottom E string. It's not a bar, I'm not doing a bar, I'm just fretting the bottom E string on the 7th fret. Okay, so, yeah, okay. And lean it inwards slightly, so that the back of the first finger is resting on the 5th string, and therefore it's muted. You don't want to hear that 5th string, okay? So now you've got a suspended B chord with the B bass note on the 7th fret of the bottom E string, yeah? Top string open, 2nd string open, that's fine, okay, that's what you want. And now you do this strumming, okay, so it's like, and at that point you take your pinky off. The emphasis is really on the top 4 strings again, but if you hit the bass note, you've got a bit of welly there, and it's the root note of the chord, and so if you hit that, it's fine, okay? Now try and slow it down in case you want to know what I'm doing here. It's very difficult to show people this. It's a very feely thing, okay? So it's and obviously throughout on the verse, obviously it progresses down. It's the same idea on the chord, but you go down to the 5th fret to do the A version. Again, top 2 strings open. And then we go down to the 3rd fret for a G version. And then down to the 2nd fret for an F sharp version, okay? Okay, but again it's mainly concentrated on the top 4 strings, okay? And then we go into that bit, you know, that bit, okay? But you probably know that already, so I'm not going to show you. Suck eggs. But anyway, that's what I do for this difficult strum bit, right? Okay, get the idea. I can't do it very well. It's one of those things you have to play a lot to get really into, I think. So thanks very much for watching. Hopefully that helps. Some of you want to play the intro who haven't figured it out yet. So there you have it. So thanks very much for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.